Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to HCL Tech second part video. This is a total complete dedicated video that is related to HCL Tech off campus direct hiring step by step apply process. We have to complete all the details. We have to fill all the complete application form and complete as 100%. After watching this video, you can fill step by step form and you can complete 100% form. Okay. So is there any 60% or other criteria for 10th, 12th? Is this hiring for the particular 23 to 21 batch? Let's start the video. One of the most important point, I made one playlist for all of you. You can check. In this playlist, I will share all the updates that is regarding the HCL. Okay, when you open our video that is related to HCL Tech hiring, you have to click on a description link where you can check all the links. Okay, direct link is there, roles and details page. So suppose you will go to roles and details page. So according to your courses, you can check the roles. That is a graduate engineer trainee for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, postgraduate engineer trainee for ME, like MBA, for graduate trainee BA, BBA, BCom. So the form is very same for everyone. You have to fill your name, email address, mobile number, OTP will be verified, state select, city you have to select, and you have to put this captcha. One of the most important point, if this register button will not work on the normal tab, you can switch to incognito tab and register. After registering, this is the first page. Okay, because I try in incognito mode and it now work. Thank you for registering with HCL Tech. We sent you verification link at this email ID. After that, I will got this type of mail that thank you for registering for freshers hiring program at HCL Tech. You can click on login button. If you scroll down, you will got your registration password. Okay, so basically I will use the OTP. Okay, I will use the OTP form. So in my mail, I will get the OTP form that is related to this hiring. So basically I have to put the OTP here. Okay, so when I have to click on submit here. After that, this type of page will open. Okay, so basically this is the complete page of HCL dashboard, tech dashboard. So basically you can check all the forms. So first of all, they just mention that there is a process. Okay, that I have to mention that there is a process that first of all you have to register yourself, verify email, fill online application form and submit application. So first of all, I have to click on continue option. So one of the most important point that I already completed all details for all of you. That is very important. First is candidate consent. Okay, you have to select I accept. After that, you have to click on next. Okay, so the step second will be load. So basically you have to fill all of your details like your mobile number, email ID, address, country, is your permanent address and current address is same. After that, you have to fill all of your details according your 10th marks, your 12th marks. Okay, and undergraduate details. Basically, if you are freshers, okay, so you have to select undergraduate. There is no graduation or post there is a no graduation or other thing is there. If you are from 23, 22, 21, you have to select UG. If you are pursuing or completed postgraduate course, so you have to select. Otherwise, you have to select UG and you have to mention your degree name, branch name, undergraduate passing year. Like if you are from 21 batch, so you can mention. If your result is declared, so you can mention declared. If you are awaited, or if you are pursuing, so you can mention percentage and semester wise. So basically when you are available to join, so you can mention the following month that is related to joining. After that, you have to click on next here. So the step 4 will be loaded. So basically, have you previously worked with HCL? So if you already work, so you can select yes, otherwise no. If you are fresher, so you can select no. If you have work experience, you can select yes, otherwise you have to mention no. Okay, after that you have to select the next form. This is very important, one of the most important point. You have to upload your passport size photo, that like this. not like this, but basically there is a passport size photo that you have to upload, and there is a resume upload also, there is a identity proof also. In this case I upload the Aadhaar card. You have options to upload voter ID card, driving license or passport. Okay, so they just mentioned that you can upload 10th mark sheet. Okay, but it is not mandatory. Like, it is a red sign, it is mandatory. Red star is mentioned in the point, but in the 10th mark sheet it is not mandatory. So you can, like, I not upload it, but you can upload for the safe and secure purpose. So after that there is a sixth process, like, have you done any certification courses? After that, most important process is started. If you applied for the technical role, if you, according to your courses, you have to select now. Okay, are you sure you want to apply for technical role? In the technical specialization there is biomedical, biotech, cloud, cyber security, computer science, information science, okay, mechanical branch. So according to your interest you can apply. But there is a 70% throughout in academic, 10th, 12th, diploma and graduation. For the PG candidates there is a 65% criteria. So basically this is the criteria for the technical role. 70% is the criteria for 10th, 12th diploma. Okay, so this is one of the most important point that I have to mention. After that you have to select next, and you have to put a name here. So basically like this. Okay, so the step 7 is this, job roles declaration is this. After that it will be the point is 100% is completed, and step 8 of it, thank you for applying HCL technology. HCL follow a stringent selection process. Each application is evaluated by multiple parameters. So I will take a screenshot for future purpose. Okay, because this is the very important point that is related to HCL technology. So I can preview my application. So basically the preview will be shown like this. Okay, so the preview is shown like this, I have just mentioned. And if I click on submit application, so basically this is thank you, your application is submitted, application number is this. For future reference, and please ensure that mention your application number printed above retrieval of your application form. Okay, so basically let we check the mail. So basically this is the application, HCL Tech application. Okay, and this is the application number and transaction ID for future correspondence. So the form is completed. Okay, and if I refresh this, so application is completed, and this is the application number. I got the mail. So this is the process that is related to HCL hiring step by step apply form. Soon there is a new video that is related to queries video. In the queries video we will discuss about all the important queries. So if you have any doubt you can ask. Please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.